I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of homemade pesto but with a twist, using fresh parsley. This recipe is incredibly versatile and packed with flavor. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, including about 2 cups of fresh parsley, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, and 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. A touch of lemon juice will brighten everything up. Before we blend, proper preparation is key. First, ensure your 2 cups of parsley are washed and completely dry. Excess water can make your pesto watery. Next, peel and roughly chop your 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Lightly toast 1/4 cup of pine nuts in a dry pan for a few minutes until they're golden and fragrant. Finally, grate 1/2 cup of fresh Parmesan cheese and measure out 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now for the fun part, blending. In your food processor, combine the 2 cups of fresh parsley, 2 to 3 chopped garlic cloves, 1/4 cup of toasted pine nuts, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Pulse these ingredients several times until they are coarsely chopped. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Continue blending until your pesto reaches your preferred consistency. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and season. Once your delicious parsley pesto is made, proper storage ensures its longevity. Transfer the pesto to an airtight container. To prevent oxidation and keep it vibrant green, pour a thin layer of extra virgin olive oil over the surface. You can store this in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze portions in ice cube trays. They will last for several months. Enjoy your homemade pesto with pasta, on sandwiches, or as a flavorful accompaniment to grilled dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.